All right, this is our last reading for now. Amphibians. Amphibians are in the phylum Chordata. They have backbones. Remember, phylum Chordata is animals that have that backbone, that spinal cord, like humans have. An amphibian begins life in the water, breathing through gills like a fish. As it grows, the amphibian begins to breathe in air like a bird or a mammal. Frogs and salamanders are amphibians. Birth, amphibians start life inside jelly-like eggs. These eggs have to stay moist at all times. Usually, they're laid in water. Growth. Young amphibians change from wiggly tadpoles that swim in the water to an adult with legs. Adult amphibians live mostly on land and have lungs to breathe air. Plants. Organisms in the plant kingdom use photosynthesis to create their food and grow. Plants have roots and leaves, and they are everywhere. Green moss clinging to rocks in the mountains is a plant. Colorful aquatic plants grow in the ocean. Birth. Plants start from a seed. Growth. After sprouting from a seed, the seedling grows into a larger adult plant. A couple words to know. Gills are filter-like structures that let an organism get oxygen out of the water to breathe. Antennae, a pair of organs on an insect's head that help it sense or feel its surroundings. Metamorphosis, the process some animals go through in their life cycle. They change size, shape, and color. Aquatic, living or growing in water. Your question for this reading is, what does phylum Chordata mean? Is it animals that have a spinal cord or backbone? Is it an instrument you play? Is it a type of flower? Phylum Chordata. If I go back, I can see that the word is here. I just have to figure out what it means.